Welcome to All Time Free Tutor. Today we learn how to use the Microsoft 365 Office app for our to access our necessary file, downloaded file. So this app has a no advertisement problem. You can see this. It has no advertisement problem. Just you have to sign in. It is a very good. If you sign in, then you can edit, you can save, you can change. If you change anything, it will be kept down. So that's why please sign in. No problem. Next, how to open the downloaded file or downloaded update file. First, you have to open it, and for this open, there at the top, just side of the search button, there is its open button. You have to click on the open, and then go to the device, and you will see normally the downloaded file will be at the download section. But if you shift your file to different places, then you have to find out that folder and open it. Okay. It will take few seconds to open the file, and first you will get some message from here. You just ignore it, and first here you will get two warnings here. Okay, just don't worry about this. This is for the protection of this file, so that if any child by mistake shifts anything, move anything, delete anything, okay, maybe it will be massacre for next time of use. So that they cannot do anything, they cannot make any changes of their self anywhere. So that's why the protection has been included. This is not any program to collect your own data or anything else. Don't worry. First, you have to click on this open our channel. This is the name of our channel. If you click on the open link, then you can open our channel directly from here. You don't need to go to the YouTube and search our channel and open it. Not required. That's directly from here you can open your channel. Okay. And here few videos will be downloaded within few days. So you can, if you want to see any videos, so you can open that videos from here also directly. How to access, how to deal, okay, any kinds of problem. Now I'm going to update. This is called sheet. These are called sheets. Excel spreadsheet, that means lots of sheets are there. Okay, this is sheet icon at the left bottom corner. Okay, if you click it, all the sheets will be visible. Different sheet for different purpose. I am coming to update sheet. Here you will get the message if free update will be available soon. That means very soon the next updation will come, and whenever any new update will come, it will inform here. And in that time, at that time you have to download new update file. Okay. And here also, from here, if you click here, okay, from here also you can subscribe our channel if you don't subscribe it. And thereafter, this is the list of contents, just our like a book. All the things are mentioned here which are available, which will be coming soon. And similarly for the English grammar, also it is mentioned. Different functions for different sheet. I am clicking on the sheet and coming to the suppose number spell. Here you can, this sheet can be used for spelling any numbers. Okay. Next I am coming to the operations. Operations is for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. For this purpose it is kept here, and here you will see three different types of color. One is yellow, which you can change as you require. This is I mentioned as a settings. Okay, and number of digits is 3. That means the digits will become within 3 digits. Next, this is how many numbers. How many numbers? Suppose you want to practice for the 4 numbers. So it will become the 4. Now you add yourself in your copy and check now whether your answer is right or wrong. Whether your answer is right or wrong. How can we understand? Because when your parents or brother, sister will check your file, check your copy, and thereafter you will understand, no, I have made right. If they say no, wrong, and where it is wrong, thereafter you will learn that you have made the mistake, and in this place you have made the mistake. But this is all time free tutor. It will help you to correct instantly at that moment. Just go downwards and see whether your answer is correct or not. And if it is not correct, then where is the mistake? Where you have made the mistake? It is mentioned here. These colors, look at here. These things you cannot change. The protection has been included here. Because maybe a little child, they do not know how to use it, so maybe they damage the original files or content, so once again you have to download it. It is not required. It is very protected. They can access it very easily. And thereafter, what will they do? Okay, suppose I want to practice new problem. What I have to do? I have to select the orange cell, second color. Okay, and thereafter circle, and then clear. The numbers are changed. Once again, do it in your copy and check where, if it is correct, then very good, you are getting confidence. And if it is not correct, once again correct it. Okay, where is the mistake? It is mentioned here like this. And if you face any kinds of problem in our cases, okay, a video link will be included very shortly here, and if you watch those video how to operate this, you can access very easily. Similarly, what is available for the multiplication table practice, very important. Thereafter LCM, HCF, you can practice it here. Then prime number, checking the prime number, whether a number is prime or not. Fractions, problems, decimal point numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, typical problems we made, and whenever mistakes has been occurred, how to correct them. It will help instantly. Suppose I am coming to this multiplication. Okay, this multiplication could be easier. I am making little finding a difficult multiplication. Could be this one. Looked very simple, but whether it is simple or not, you do it in your copy and thereafter go downwards and check whether it is right or wrong. If you face any kinds of problem, see our respective video, you will understand it very easily. I am not coming to here, I am pointing how to use our this app. Then negative numbers problem. In this way, various problems you can practice here. As well as English grammar practice also, conjugation practice also you can here. Tense problem we are facing lots of, so everything is available here. In this way you can. Now one of the important thing is that suppose you have two or three brothers, two brother sisters. So when you want to use it, then what will happen? You have made own settings, and thereafter when your brother or sister want to use it, then what will be that? They have to change once again. It is not required to change all the time. Just what you have to do, just at the top, see at the triple dot is here. If I click here, then go to save as, and thereafter select your drive location and give your own file name, your own name. Change it by the defined name. So whenever one he or she will use own file name. You don't need to download twice. You can practice it. Okay. You have to practice your own named file. But in this way, you can access very easily. You don't need to hamper your brother or sister's problem. And thereafter, once you open, you will get that file within the recent list. It can be accessed very easily thereafter. Okay.